right? We are expected to convert 104 in base 5 to a number in base 2. Now, we have to first of all convert the number from base 5 to base 10 and then to base 2. So let's go into it straight away in the solution. All right. Now the conversion from base 5 to base 10 is by expansion. And let us look at that. That is done by expansion. 104 written to base 5. To be converted to base 10 by expansion, we have to write powers 0, 1, 2 towards the left. And now the process is by expansion, as I've said. So this is going to be, start from the first digit. The first digit is 1. So we go 1 multiplied by the base, which is 5, to the power 2 written on top of the 1. Move on to the next digit. We have 0. Of course, 0 multiplied by any number gives a 0. So we can bypass the computation involving this 0 and go to the last digit, which is 4. Multiplied by the base, which is base 5, raised to the power 0 on it. So by evaluating each unit, we're going to have 5 to the power 2 here. 5 multiplying itself 2 times gives 25. 25 multiplied by 1 still gives 25. Plus 5 to the power 0, according to the law of indices, any number to the power 0 gives 1. So 1 multiplied by 4 gives us 4. And by adding this together, we get 25 plus 4 gives us 29. This is in base 10. The first stage of the solution is complete. Now, we're moving from base 10 to base 2. And this is by the usual long division process. So let's go and do that. 29, the number to be converted from base 10 to base 2. So we're going to have to divide by 2, the base to which we want to convert. So 2 should do the division. 2 divides into 29, 14 times, with the remainder of 1. That's right. 2 has to divide more until it is not possible to divide anymore. So 2 divides into 14 gives 7. Remainder 0. That's a perfect division. 2 divides into 7 gives us 3 with a remainder of 1. And 2 still divides into 3 gives us 1 with a remainder of 1. Finally, 2 tries to divide into 1, but that's not possible. So we're going to have to write 0. And now that 1 remaining becomes our remainder. That's right. And now the final answer has to be these remainders written in reverse order from bottom to the top. Let's do that. And therefore, it means the original number from beginning, 104, written to base 5, which was initially converted to 29 base 10, is now equal to these remainders from the bottom to the top. Let's go. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. From the bottom to the top. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now to base 2. Our final answer. Very simple. And that would be the option A, as we have seen right there. Beautiful. Very simple. Now, attached to this video are 2 quiz questions. Please try to solve those questions and check your solutions. Also, you need to test your full understanding of number bases. Take the test on number bases provided in the link in the pinned comment. And if you wish to study the full presentation of number bases, you can also look into the pinned comment. There is the link that takes you to the full video on number bases.